Hi everyone. Today's topic is the relationship between public goods and private goods. As the outline, we have three objects: definition and description, free riding problem, and a solution for it. To better understand humans and non-human things, let's take a look at two ideals that we can use to model the relationship between rivalry and excludability. Firstly, we're going to talk about excludability. So, excludable is the ideal that it is possible to prevent people who have not paid for it from having access to it. While non-excludable means people can enjoy and use a good without paying for it. Rivalry. Rivalry means if you use it while someone else cannot use it. It's also called subtract ability. The last one is non-rival. So non-rival means people can use it at the same time as someone else uses it. Okay, now let's say everything can be either excludable or non-excludable, rival risk or non-rival risk. Things that are rival risk and excludable we call private goods. So most tangible goods like cars, computers, or fruits in a store are rival and excludable because people cannot enjoy it without paying for it. And once people have bought it, then no one else can buy the same thing. Compared with private goods, things that are non-rival and non-excludable are public goods. Something like public playground that is non-rival risk. Therefore, you can use it at the same time as someone else uses it without affecting each other. Another example, the use of public trash cans is non-excludable because everyone walking across the can could use it without paying for it. The free riding problem is a market failure that occurs when people take advantages of being able to use public goods. And nobody wants to pay for public goods due to its characteristic, non-excludability. That will cause a producer cannot exclude non-players from receiving its individual benefits. So this creates a perceived incentive among potential buyers who want to free ride. Which means potential buyers don't want to pay for a good that they can get free. We find three efficient ways to solve a free riding problem. First one, tax. Government add tax is a great way to divide the cost equally, and this ensures everyone who benefits from the service pays towards the cost. Secondly, appealing to people's altruism. For some public goods like visiting a garden, the garden may be able to raise funds by asking for donation if people enjoy their visit. Third, make a public good private. A beautiful garden could be seen as a public good. However, if you erect a higher barrier and limit entrance to those willing to pay, it loses its feature as a public good and becomes a private good. At the end of the class, I want you to know the definition of public goods and private goods. And both public goods and private goods are important for a functioning society. Also, I want you to know the free riding problem and how it occurs. Lastly, once we solve the free riding problem, we could achieve efficiency for the society. Thank you guys, and I'll see you the next class.